let me teach you, let me explain to you what breakout block means. Breakout block is very, very easy as well. So the breakout block, this is another block that has been broken. That's the meaning of breakout block. All right. So if you have a trend, sorry about that. If you have a trend, that's actually an alert for me to do analysis or the trade. So if you have a trend that is pushing like this, okay, originally, this is where I'm going to identify my order block. Okay. This is my order block, right? So now, when the order block is broken through, all right, this is bullish now. When the order block is broken through, what I'm expecting is a reversal to that point of the block, because this area is a magnet for price. This order block that I drew initially is a magnet for price. Is a magnet for price reaction. All right. So what I'm drawing now is a model. You can use it as a model, like a model. I can like you can use it as a model or the model to enter your trade. So I'm expecting a reversal to enter this order block and continue buying. Now, let me now take you back to the market structure. Remember that is the market structure, right? And this is what our BOS. You can call it this BOS. You can call it HH, the higher high. Okay, these are BOS or these are HH. You've signaled it originally that this is the order block, right? Now, this part is our what? HL, right? These are our higher low. Now, what did I tell you that if it doesn't break this, what do you do? It has to break this to the down part before you can see. It has to break this break this before you can say we're going downtrend. If it doesn't break it, we're still going uptrend. You get the point? So when you identify the other block at the initial stage, I'm expecting you to see that, okay, now we've seen the other block. What is happening at this particular higher low, the candle has crossed through the other block, making it to be failed. So it's a failed order block. All right. Since it's the failed order block, the next thing that is coming to your mind is that I'm looking for a retest into this block, into this zone. So the retest into the other block zone, okay, is called the breaker block. The breaker block. So the breaker block is this particular junction here. Okay, that's where the breaker block is. This is the breaker block. That's the breaker block. All right, so this is the breaker block right here. Okay, so whether you see it uptrend or downtrend, anyhow you see it, if it is downtrend, it's going to come like this. It is downtrend, it's going to come like this. Now, you've already signaled the trend at this zone that this is my breaker block. Okay, if this is your order block, order block. Now, I've seen the order block, the price has done what? The price has passed through it. The price has passed through it. Okay, now that the price has passed through it, what are you expecting? I'm expecting a reversal to enter this zone or to enter this other block before selling. All right, so this time this point here, as a breakout block. This is a failed order block line. Okay, this line is a failed order block line. This one, failed order block line. This particular one, because it has broken this order block, is a failed order block line. Okay, this particular line, this particular candle, this other block, this line passed through it, so it's failed. Now if I want to look at it from the market structure angle, simple as saying that where's the text? Simple as saying that this is our lower high, right? This is our lower low. Okay, this is another lower low. And what did I tell you about lower low, lower high? Of if the candle, if it doesn't break this, you're still going, the trend is still continuing. Okay, that means that it must break this lower low, this lower high before you can say it's going upward. Because it hasn't broken this lower low and it hasn't broken this, that means you're still going down. It's as simple as that. Don't mix it up, please. What you are seeing on my screen is a pure entry. If you already identify your order block, wait for it to come to make higher low. After making the higher low, signal the buy. When it crosses through, wait for the reversal to come and retest. You're only just looking for a retest into the zone. Once it enters the zone as a retest, you are buying for the bullish. When it enters the zone as a retest, you are selling for the bearish. Okay, don't get it confused. Okay, don't get it mixed up. So this is a video I sent earlier. This is what I chatted. This is what I saw. So now I've not seen any breaker block. Other block created, and you can see the downward push. Part of the characteristics, a long downward push. So what did I say? I said that I'm expecting the price to do what? To make a move. Either it cross through, or from here you can return. I can use liquidity to return to this. Okay, equal high liquidity. I'll get to that point like later on. So I can sell because this is a zone, is a magnet for price. Look at the large sell here, and this is this candle. This candle was the one that caused a large sell. All right, so you must be able to know the large sell of the candle. So if this doesn't happen, if that doesn't happen, what I'm expecting is that the price should create, failed order block, because this other block crossing it through is a failed one. Okay, bouncing from inside to continue the bullish. So I'm waiting for a retest, not the one that crossed through. Go and do your what's it called? Any candle that forms, anyone, I don't care. There's news, I don't care. Do your cross through. Come and do the retests. After doing the retest, then I buy. I'm going for my long position. What do I do? Buy from this point, and you can take it and stop here at this current break, or you take it high, anyhow you want it to be. Okay, so one must be very, very careful with how we are making choices in buying or selling. You understand? I can see the reason why I did this. And this other one too that I drew here, you can see no price has crossed through it. So what I'm expecting is that when the price finally come down, either it cross through, or from here I can just do my equal low. We'll get to that point. This is the candle that caused this push. Okay, that's why it's order block. So it's either I come to this point. Some people have seen my chart, they've seen the way I map out things. You can come to this place and buy, or you cross through. Okay, cross through to create your the failed order block, right? After crossing through to fail the order block, what do you notice? Because these are the sell side, from here I continue my sell. Okay, continue my sell because at the down part. All right, so we always try and buy from demand and sell from supply. Okay, buy from demand, sell from supply. But the other block is going to tell the direction. Okay, is it bullish? Is it bearish? Look at this. Signal it at this point. This is a bullish one. We buy. Okay, we signal it at the sell. The trend is already coming down. We signal it at the sell. This is a sell zone or sell whatever trend. We sell. You cannot buy when the other block is already here. All right. So thank you so much for your time. That's all about order blocks and breaker block, okay, and how to trade with it. So tomorrow we'll be showing you how to maybe possibly we'll see another example when we explain. Thank you so much.